Hey YouTubers, this is part 12 of the U.S. Coast Guard Fast Response Cutter by Dumas Products. Kit number 1275. We'll be talking about the dome radar units here and some very interesting instructions on the build and how to do it, how to come up with your own ideas. Page 24 of the instructions. The dome radar, 2 are needed. See figure 69, page 19. And then on 126, page 37. Step 334, get the 2 cast domes, item number 28-189 supplied in the kit, and make sure that all the cast and slag is gently removed, and you'll have something similar like that. Maybe yours will be better than mine. But there they are. Your next step is 335, cut a piece. It should be cut 2 pieces of 3/16 inch diameter wood dowel to 1 3/16 of an inch long. Step number 336, cement a large, again, it should be cement a large nylon washer, 3/16 ID on the dowel, 3/8 of an inch up from the bottom. Do this to the second one also. This is on page 19, figure 69. Here's our dome radar. It depicts the large nylon washer number 23-102. This one and this one. Well, they only give you 2 of them, so you need 2 more. They come up with some other little ones like this, but the ID is smaller. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is acquire a couple at my local hardware store and build it accordingly. Then it'll work. You can enlarge the smaller one, the ID. You're going to have to drill it out or ream it out, but I've never had very good success with that. I'm just going to get 2 more like that. I have changed my mind on buying those new nylon washers. And as we move ahead on the build of the radar dome, I have noticed something else. The instructions call for a 3/16 inch wooden dowel, which is okay, but in step 341, it says to cement them by the top of the pilot house roof. Well, let's take a look at the whole pattern template, going way back. And you drill these out 1/8 of an inch here and here. These are for the radar dome. Let's take a look on the top. Here's the pilot house, 1/8 of an inch. And our wooden dowel is 3/16 of an inch. Here we go. It calls for one of the dowels 1 3/16 of an inch long. So 1 3/16 times 2, 2 3/8, allow for saw cut. So measure about at least 2 3/8 of an inch. So I went ahead and marked a 3/8 of an inch height as described, so you can go ahead and put it in the top of the pilot house. And this part and this part, I'll go ahead and put into the drill press and grind it down to 1/8 of an inch. Also, to go ahead and use these, the same thing, special treatment here, is to smooth those down until it fits inside here. Perfect! Then again, if you don't want to cut these down, you can always drill these out to 3/16 of an inch. One or the other, right? All right, the ends are cut, ready for assembly. Well, we have one done. We haven't painted it yet. Let's see how well it fits. Hey, perfect. Also, I want to go ahead and tell you about the ladder over here. Is that I put 2 more spreaders in for stability. And the ladder was so flexible, but it works. This is the end of part 12, YouTubers. There won't be a 13 for obvious reasons, but if there's any more problems, I'll bring them up, and that'll be 14. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much, YouTubers. Have a great day.